Welcome to International Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport terminal. There is only one terminal in Bangkok Airport, Suvarnabhumi something, but there is another airport in the city. So this is main international airport where all arrivals and departures to all across the world. But there's only one hall. On the very top you go up, 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 up. And there's this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, S, D, N, Q, S, U. As far as you can see, there's only one hall for all departures, which is very handy. You don't need to go from one terminal to another terminal and then back again and then look where is your flight or something, and then there's a board with all flights. I have a flight to Phuket 15:35 with Vietjet Air, so it's row number 6. I have 3.5 hours. Oh, row 6 was there. A, B, no, B, C here. I'm arrived earlier because last time, 3 years ago, when I was flying to Chiang Mai, I arrived later, nearly missed my flight. So there's Vietjet Air, Vietnamese cheap airlines, like equivalent of Ryanair. You buy a ticket and you then buy everything add-ons. A ticket to Phuket cost me 130 euro with the luggage, 20 kilogram luggage. So that is, you can relax here. The most important thing, chairs is soft, not like in Dublin Airport you have to sit on the cold metal. Look, it's the artificial leather seats, no problem. You can relax. Not like I was sitting in the Dublin Airport and my arse froze. I was concerned about my arse because in Dublin it's very cold. Airport patrol going on this vehicle. Hands free, only 2 wheels. Hello, is it me you looking for? Definitely not. Snack and drink. Let's check how much cost drinks. Water is 20 baht, 50 euro cents. Sprite 45. So Sprite is more expensive, 1 euro something 30. Bottle of Coca-Cola 1 euro 40 as well. And water very cheap, 20 baht. 20 baht is 50 cents. In Dublin Airport this bottle would cost you 3 euro, 6 times more expensive. Rip off. So that's it. Not too many people. And look at this dude. I'm the invisible man. I'm the invisible man. Future is here. When you think someone lost his job because this robot. And someone in the future will lose more jobs because automation.
ขออภัยนะคะขณะนี้หุ่นยนต์กำลังทำความสะอาดรบกวนขอทางให้หน่วยงานด้วยค่ะขอบคุณมากค่ะ
I'm the invisible man. I'm the invisible man. So, I haven't seen this in Ireland. Okay, have to pass through security and check in and everything. Nothing to do here except watch people, but I already seen so many people. What I noticed, Thai, Japanese, there's of course some difference between Thai and Japanese, but all Asians looks more or less same. But when it comes to Indians, they all so different, so different. Of course, India is a very big country, too many people, but never seen two same Indians. Suvarnabhumi Airport, something. I cannot spell this. So where these flights are flying? Phuket, Hanoi, Irkutsk, even flying to Irkutsk, Russia. How about the sanctions? New Delhi, Samui, Manila, Singapore, Abu Dhabi, Krabi, Phuket, Kuala Lumpur, Chiang Rai, Zurich, New Delhi, Taipei, Lampang, Dhaka, Siem Reap, Phuket, Hong Kong, basically everywhere around the Asia and further away. I'm surprised it's flying from the Russia. What about the sanctions? All Asians wearing the masks, only foreigners not wearing the masks. I mean Western Europeans, they're like no bother. Oh, some guy get injured, no luck. And some Thai Asians wearing two masks. Yeah, and you put so much hand sanitizer after leaving metro, something. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm going to check in now.